Hi, I'm Greg Davis with Greg Davis Photography, and I'll be doing an unboxing and a short/mini review of the PadCaster Parrot Teleprompter. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay, we have a warranty card. Register your product and receive 15%. Blah blah blah. Next purchase PadCaster. Boom. Product manual. Looks like cleaning kit. The remote that comes with it. What is this? This must be the filters. Oh yeah, nice, and they're all metal. They're all metal. Looks like I have a 30. Lowest is a 37 millimeter. And an 82. The highest looks like it's gonna be an 82 millimeter, the highest. It comes in this nice, soft cotton, nice carrying pouch. I like this. Good quality rings. I'm already liking this. Very, very nice product so far. And here we have the teleprompter itself. Okay, here we have the teleprompter. Also, it already has looks like a 58 on here. I don't know if that's a filter or just the size of this. Very, very good build quality. Like I say, I'm liking it already. I'm excited, and I guess this is gonna help me with my future videos as far as me stumbling over my words and everything. Let's look at this remote that it comes with. It comes with this remote. Excuse me. This remote you gotta pair with your phone or whatever, just in case you got the strobes going a little bit too fast. It's Bluetooth, and you can actually slow down the strobes. You can stop. You can fast forward, or go back to something that you might have skipped over, this and that. Pretty good plastic remote. Has an off and on switch on the back of it. It looks like a connection button as well. Battery operated. Looks like the battery comes with it. It's gonna be a pretty good piece. Yeah. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my video, going over this video with me.